I pay respects to all the masters of all the world spirituality and religious masters who are interested in spreading the message of peace, who are not encouraging hatred in the humanity. I pay respects to all the Krishnas of the past, Krishnas of the future and the Krishnas of this moment of the present day. See, in the Sanatana Dharma, there are innumerable universal remedial measures to handle your stress. In the previous episode, I was telling you the Pranava mantra, so magical. Each Sanskrit alphabet creates a frequency, certain frequency. The whole system will create a resonance. Whole system will create a healing, health. The frequencies, the mantra frequencies will bring in peace. They give in, even you will be shocked. The gross layers, even parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated and gets equated, and the sympathetic nervous system which was actively stimulated, it will come down and sympathetic nervous system will stimulate, and once again you will become much more relaxed. What is this Pranava? The Pranava, the A, U, Ma, Om. A means Brahma, A is from Brahma, U is Vishnu, U. Maheshwara, Ma, Ma, A, U, Ma. See, Brahma, you know very well in the scriptures, it is said he is born from the navel. At the navel, Brahma, the generative aspect. Vishnu is heart, U, the sustaining aspect or operating aspect, the generating, operating. Maheshwara, the destruction aspect, Maheshwara, the ending aspect. Destruction is nothing to do with termination. Every destruction is bringing a new creation. It is, the existence is from eternity to eternity. So, the generating aspect is at the below the navel, operating aspect is at the heart, the Ma is from the head center, the throat center, Maheshwara. So, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. A, the word A, when you say A, each sound, each syllable is generated from different areas. One sound comes from the lip, one comes from the dental area, one comes from the palate, one comes from the cerebral, one comes from the throat, one comes from the behind the throat, the deeper sound. So, when you say these sounds, let us say you are saying the is generated from certain area which will heal all the systems below your navel. Let us say you pout your, you make your lips round, the heart center gets cleared. The problems connected with below navel, in the center part torso, above the throat. Just a simple mantra, the pranava mantra, it will heal you so much. Imagine. But instead of doing all this, what we do? We write it on a paper, we write it on our notebook, on our home. The A, U, Ma, this is from A, this is from U, this is from M. That Turiya Avastha, that dot, fourth state of consciousness, the superconscious state. If you know how to make this A, U, Ma properly and combinedly A, U, Ma, you can come out of your stress. It is coming from A. A is the from behind the throat, and this is exhausting. Ooh, your heart problems, lung problems, all these problems will go away. It is a cerebral sound. You can see even when you touch, when you say oo, when you say ah, when you say ah, oo, ma sounds, such a healing sound of the parasympathetic nervous system. Just simple pranava mantra, and combinedly you make this A, U, Ma like this. Start with A, then slowly let it merge and roll into U, and then begin the and then after closing A, U, Ma, be silent and enter into the pure silence. Okay. Whether it is Om or Auma, Om is also okay. When you say O, that is only A plus O. It is a combination of letters. Absolutely fine. But A, U, Ma, the pranava mantra, silently, not demonstrating to somebody, even now what I am doing is wrong. Demonstration, no demonstration, close your eyes, go on keeping repeating, then you will hear the sounds that are coming from somewhere. The unstruck sound, anahatnada, unstruck sound, the one hand clapping, it should become that sound, and it is happening. You are only the listener. You are hearing, that's all. Then it will go become deeper. This is what is required in the whole process. So, let us come back to the stress part. So, Avuma, it is a healing sound, peacemaking sound, health giving sound, it is a vibrational frequency. And let us next go into the, see, whenever you are in stress, take it from me, whenever you are under stress, you will be unconscious only. Any mistake you do, anger, irritation, jealousy, passion, you will be only unconscious. That is why it is said, angry person, he will say, I do not know how I have become angry. You know, most of the cases which goes to the court, they were admitting, the convicts were admitting in front of the judge, sir, I did not know I was committing a murder, because they were unconscious, they were not there. When they were raping, they were unconscious, they were murdering, looting. In all the, actually the person who has committed the crime is no longer there. You are drunk, you are unconscious, simple. You are drunk with ego, drunk with power, drunk with passion, drunk with negativity. All Rakshasas are inside only, Asura is inside. No Rakshasa, no Saturn need to come from outside. Only thought, Asura, Naraka Asura. Asura means devil, Rakshasa. There is nobody with the horns and then teeth like Rakshasa. Your own cruelty, evil, all odd shapes, rough. How a Rakshasa is, how Saturn is. The devil is illness in the diving in, that is all. Your negativity of the mind is itself Asura. Ravana, Asura. They are not characters and all that, it is all negative. 10 heads are standing for your karmendriyas and jnanendriyas. They are negative, you are out, that is all. You become dreamy. Sita, what is Sita? As long as she was with Rama, Ra means enlightened, Ma means me, enlightened me. When she is with Rama, she is cool. Only then the desire is there for golden deer. What is that? Ambition, greed, that is all, simple. When you become mind, there is greed. Then you will, Lakshmana is Lakshya Manka Lakshya. The line he draws, do not cross the line, the mind crosses it, and then you are with Ravana, Asura. It is absolutely, they are beautiful stories, absolutely very good for the right brain. Right brain is all visuals. Sanatana Dharma, thousands of years back, they did not know how to make compact issues. They made wonderful images to take you towards meditation. So, your mind itself is the doer of all wrong things. The mind does wrong, you do not have any control. So, mind is shifting, it is egoistic, it is egoistic. Kumbhakarna, when you are, all Rakshasa is nothing but that's all. Extreme ego, sedentary lifestyle, everything is here. So, how you should be when you are living in the moment? No Saturn is there, no Rakshasa is there. You will become very meditative. You will be able to handle your stress very, very easily. That is why live in this moment. If you are living in the moment, pranayama is also happening. Dhyan bhi ho raha hai. You are in meditation, you are in pranayama. It will become a natural pranic healing. Your prana is also prana hi Brahma. Your prana is God. The air you breathe is God. The thoughts you have is the evil. That's all. Pure, make it pure, God's mind, pure mind, holistic mind. Then everything is beautiful. So, let us understand few more techniques. So, when you are unconscious, all the wrong things are happening, even stress also. All stress. If you cannot fight with your wife, or you cannot fight with your colleague, or you cannot fight with your neighbor without being unconscious. You are only unconscious. To bring in your conscious, there is a beautiful technique. When you are breathing, the breath is such a lovely mechanism to make yourself in your charge. You become so conscious, start observing your breath, ana, apana. Ana means the inside breath, internal breath, apana is outgoing breath. Ana, apana sati. Buddha says, anapana sati. You are not doing any pranayam here. Absolutely the natural breath. As it enters in, as it exits out, whether it is long breath, short breath, shallow or deep, rough or smooth, one nostril or two nostrils, don't change it. Don't make any visual, don't make any one idol of Rama or Shiva or Jesus or Buddha, no, or Sai, no. Pure non-sectarian, God is, they are all mystics, they did the same thing what I am telling, but it got lost because of certain pseudo masters, writers, poets, scholars. They entered into spirituality because they can talk better. There are many, many good masters right now, wonderful masters. Absolutely, they are doing a great job, but more number is wrongdoers. Now, there is a system, whenever you can count any breath unconsciously, from 1 to 10 anybody can count, from 1 to 108 anybody can count, even thinking some other thing also. But if you count from backward counting from 108 to 1, you will have to do it very consciously, otherwise you lose the count. So, the trick here is, because 108 is so big, choose 54, or even the timing is not, you are not a retired person like me, okay, make it 27 or make it 11 or make it 3 or 5. Backward counting of breath, you are inhaling, exhaling, 10 in, 10 out, 9 in, 9 out, 8 in, 8 out, 7 in, 7 out, backward counting. Close your eyes, do not open your eyes. The eyes, the two eyes will take you outward. When you close your eyes, that is why you will go inward. When your look is at the Ajna Chakra, it becomes inward side. Then observe the breath, backward counting, then you will be conscious. Your stress will go. Simple, as simple as that. Only backward counting, no pranayama also. Now let us do pranayama also. In the next episodes, how to do pranayama and how many methods are there to come out of stress. Let us go through all of them. It is so beautiful. See, angry, your breath will be faster. You are afraid, the breath will be shallow. If the desires are there, the breath alters. Emotion will change the breath and breath will change the emotion. If you change the breath, emotion can be changed. You can cheat your emotion, you can cheat yourself by changing the breath. In the coming episodes, how you can alter everything, this is a secret science of Swara Shastra. The great science, now long forgotten. It is only in certain nooks and corners some people are practicing, and if you are lucky you will get it, that is all. Let us open up, let us get enriched, let us all become healthy, let us all become happy, let us all become peaceful, let us spread the mission of peace without the boundaries of the country, without the boundaries of the religions, without the boundaries of the humanity. Let us give all the goodness, peace, happiness, health to everybody. I wish you all the best. God bless you.